Okay, so now let's go ahead and dig a little more. So right now we've got, let's take a look at our site. So we've got hello to my pics. So let's change this a little bit. When kittens attack. Oops. We're just gonna So now this is where the headings come into play. So maybe this one is kind of a smaller one. This is kind of like a sub article. And you can go as small as you want. Maybe this is another point. All right. Oh. I just went to a new build on my computer, and apparently I have not registered my Sublime text, so I should get on that. Okay, so beware web travelers, kittens abound. They have claws. Their claws can cause disease. So you see how each one of these gets just a tiny bit smaller. So now this is the first, kind of the first mark of maybe like HTML that really starts structuring it out. So let's go ahead and just start expanding into what's called inline CSS. So CSS is actually can do a bunch of other things, but what it starts with is it starts with style, and then it equals quotation marks, and then there's a whole series, and we'll get into this slowly, but we'll just start changing this as we go along. But there's a whole series of things you can do. But for now, let's just change the font color to, and we'll just use red for now. So you see how this is structured in here is it's inside the tag, and there's other ways to do this, but this is called inline CSS. We're going to save it. Now we're going to go back to our kittens and look at that. Now we have a completely different color for here. This is the default red that CSS has. There's a whole series that we'll go into further that can give you different colors instead of this very scary red.